What if you could actually make money while you're out with friends, traveling with family, or watching your favorite movie? Well, believe it or not, that's exactly what I'll show you how to do in this video. All that you have to do is set this up in no more than 30 minutes, and you can enjoy the profits without having to invest any hard work at all into this and waste hours of your precious time. So stay tuned to find out what it is. Now, just before we start with this tutorial, guys, as always, make sure you tap the like button down below if you're enjoying my content and want to see more. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications for more Make Money Online videos that are to come. And with that, let's now get into it. Okay guys, so in today's video, we will be using a site called Nitreo.com in order to get paid. Now what this site is, you can immediately see on their homepage right here. It's a site to grow your Instagram account, and it doesn't involve buying fake followers at all. This will actually get you real followers for your Instagram account. Now, right off the bat, I want to let you know that we will not be using this site in order to grow our Instagram account. So I will not tell you to create a page or whatever and then pay Nitreo here in order to grow. Nothing like that. We will instead be using this differently to get paid. Anyhow, you can come on here, read more about this site, but I will skip that part since it's just important that you know what this is and how it helps people. Now, what you want to do on here is scroll down to the bottom of the page. Then you want to click on Become an Affiliate right here. So yes, we will want to promote this as an affiliate in order to get paid. Now, that obviously begs the question, why this particular site? Why not some other one? Well, first off, this site has decent commissions. Not amazingly mind-boggling commissions, but they're fairly decent at 25%, as you can see. However, the decently amazing commissions are complemented by the fact that they are recurring commissions, as you can see here. In other words, if someone you refer to here decides to use this for a longer period of time, you will earn 25% of what they pay Nitreo every single month, which is a great feature that will allow you to earn quite a bit more money for fewer people referred. Anyhow, another reason we want to promote this in particular is because this helps people grow their Instagram accounts, as you know. And there are literally millions of such people all around the globe which are potential customers. As you can see on this site, Instagram literally gets billions of visits every single month. It's simply put one of the most popular apps out there, and that means there's a huge pool of customers for us. Lastly, and the third reason we want to promote Nitreo is because I have a site where we can find those very customers in order to get paid. So stay tuned to find out what it is. Now with that said, to sign up as an affiliate, you first want to click on Join Our Affiliate Program here. From there, you just need to enter in your first and last names, your email address, and password, and click on I'm Not a Robot before clicking on the Sign Up button located just below to finally create your brand new account. Now, before we move on, I want to really quick show you how much money you can actually make with this platform, simply because I know many of you will want to know that. If you click on pricing here, you will be able to check this out for yourselves. Now, Nitreo, unlike some other platforms, doesn't need to offer annual payments, but just monthly ones instead. But regardless, you can see that it offers two pricing plans, Essential and Speed, which cost $50 and $80 a month respectively. Now let's say you bring 50 people to this site, and as you will see soon enough, you will be able to refer far more people than that. But regardless, let's go with that number, and let's say that all of those people bought this cheaper Essential plan here. If you do the math, then that's $2,500 paid to this site, and as we get 25%, that's $600. It's not an insane amount of money, but it's a very decent amount considering that we're talking about 50 people buying the cheapest plan. So I'm being as conservative as one can be here, and you can still see that you can make some very decent amount of money. Now with that done, you will now want to head over to the next platform we will use today to get paid, which is none other than Google Docs. So you want to head over to docs.google.com, The very next thing you need to do is click on blank right here in order to open up a blank document. And what you need to do is write a quick step-by-step guide on how to grow on Instagram. And in that very guide, at step 3 or 4, or whichever you prefer, you will type in something along the lines of, use this tool to grow, or use this site to grow, and then leave the affiliate link next to that. And we will then want to give this guide out to people. Now, in order to get info on how to grow on Instagram, you can just Google and see what the most often recommended ways of growing are, and you will want to write them in your own guide just like I did so myself. In case you want to use my own guide, I will leave the link to it in the description box below so you won't have to write anything yourselves. Anyhow, once you have a guide that looks something like this, what you need to do is click on Share in the upper right corner in order to be able to grab its link. And once you do, you now want to head over to bit.ly.com to shorten it. Now, this is an optional step, but I would nevertheless recommend it, since Bitly makes the link look so much more appealing and will allow you to get more clicks, which ultimately results in more money. Anyhow, to shorten the link, just paste it in here, and then you need to click on Shorten. And with that said, regardless if you shorten the link or not, it's now time for me to show you the last platform today we will use to get paid, the one that will actually get us traffic. The platform is one you might have heard about called Quora.com. For those oblivious, this is a community-based site where people would ask questions and then get answers. And as you may guess, we will want to look out for people who have asked questions regarding Instagram growth. As such, you will want to search for stuff like how to grow on Instagram, how to get followers on Instagram, and so on. And when you do, you will be able to find an infinite number of people who have asked that same or similar question, as you can see. And all of these people are potential customers. And basically what you will do is open some of these up. And then in the answer, you will want to tell them something like, I have a step-by-step guide, or check this guide out, it helped me a lot, and so on. And then you will leave the link of your guide next to that. And here's something that is very, very important here and that makes Quora the perfect site to use to get traffic. The people who ask the question wouldn't be the only ones to see the answer, but also random people who have opened up the particular page. This means that you are not just promoting Nitrio to one person, but literally thousands of people, especially since Quora ranks very, very well on Google. Meaning that if you searched for how to grow on Instagram, it would be one of the first sites to pop up. Furthermore, Quora is hugely popular. It gets nearly 600 million visits a month. It's one of the most popular websites to this day, and this is precisely why it's a good idea to use it to get traffic. In any case, what you'll want to do is answer all of these questions that you can find, and after some time, you will start getting clicks on that affiliate link of yours. And the best part is, you just have to do this once, and your answers will literally stay on Quora forever, and you could get clicks months afterwards and make a very decent amount of money passively from there. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.